Hello, good morning. Today is Feb 25. It's currently 10:39 a.m. It's a Wednesday. So this is my first off from my 3 straight long days. Today, the weather is actually quite nice. It's about 17 degrees. Ayan. Merong sun today, so we are gonna make the most out of today. First things first is kunin namin yung parcel ni Light sa post office. So, nag-order kami ng yung train connector niya and we were not able to get it last week. So, kukunin namin today. And then after that, pupunta kami sa grocery store. And then after that, meron akong lunch with my friends kasi yung isa kong friend birthday niya. In-invite niya kami for lunch. And then after that, kukunin namin sila sa school. Pipiknik kami sa park. So today is very full packed. Tatry kong i-vlog lahat ng yon para masama ko din kayo. It's a very productive day filled with fun and chores. So tara, let's go. It's so sunny. Ang ganda ng araw, guys. So, lalakarin lang namin yung post office. Mga, ano lang siya, 15-minute walk from here. Kasi, last week pa yun, hinihintay ni Light. Kawawa naman. Palagi niyang kami tinatanong kailan darating yung parcel niya. Hindi na kami makahintay for spring, guys. We've been in the dark for ilang months na kasi winter season dito sa London. So, kapag merong araw, grabe, excited ang mga taong lumabas dito. So, mamaya siguro madaming tao sa park. Kasi kapag may araw, everyone's out in the sun. Sobrang ganda ng mga cherry blossoms kapag spring. Especially sa park na malapit dito sa amin. Sobrang ganda kasi merong area na cherry blossoms lang siya. Ang ganda mag-picture. Nakaka-improve ng mood. Yung weather talaga. Yeah. Ito na tayo sa post office. Nakuha na namin yung parcel ni Light and then slight change of plans. Instead of Lidl, pupunta na lang kami sa Sainsbury's kasi malapit lang siya dito para makasave kami ng oras. Kasi nga, fully packed tayo today. Wala naman kaming masyadong bibilihin today. Yung mga essentials lang. Sobrang ganda ng weather. Gusto ko tuloy uminom ng milk tea.
Take the most the weather.
Na tayo sa Sainsbury's. Beans. Pwede din corn. Isa. Nakabili lang namin ng bread yesterday so we don't have to buy bread today. Singganahan siya na kanang Cadbury nga mini rolls pa kana. Okay, let's go. Meron silang Milo dito, $5.95. Magkano ba ang Milo sa Pilipinas? Para sa picnic later guys, bibili tayo ng popcorn maybe. Dala, tangi cheese. Ito yung favorite ko dito. Yung ganito na chips nila. Pero nabili ko na to kahapon. So, ito na lang. Salted popcorn. Ang maganda lang kapag bumibili ka sa malaking store, ang daming options. Pero nakakalula din yung options nila. Like for example, chocolate. Sobrang daming chocolate, guys. Like, ayan, post Valentine's Day siguro yan. Daming Toblerone. Lalaki. Ayan, iba-ibang klase. Magbayad na tayo. Change of plans. Hindi na lang kami magbabas, maglalakad na lang kami because ang bus, guys, 14 minutes pa. 14 minutes pa kami maghihintay. In 14 minutes, malalakad namin. Nasa bahay na kami. So, maglalakad na lang kami. Anyways, dala naman namin yung grocery trolley namin. So, okay lang kay David. Pero, yung nagastos natin today is 47 pounds and 43 pence. Mahal! Food natin. Thank you. Hello! I'm back at home and nakuha na namin si Light from school. Kasi yan ang lunch namin kanina kasi we were catching up yung mga friends ko. It was such a fun afternoon. Andito na si Light and excited na siyang buksan ang kanyang parcel. Wow! Okay, can you open it? So, si Light, mahilig siya sa trains and cars and buses. But I think favorite niya talaga ang trains. Share ko lang yung outfit ko today kasi bet ko siya. For girls na rectangular yung body shape like me, ganito na style ng top. Ito nabili ko sa H&M. Maganda yung fit niya. I just paired it with my Uniqlo flare pants. Ayan. 5 feet lang ako, guys. Okay, can you open it? The blue one.
Your nails.
Hanggang ngisi. Yes! Wow! Hi guys! Today is now Thursday. This week was payday for me and my husband, so I thought of making content about our monthly expenses. As a family of 3, and if you're new to my channel, hi! I'm Kimay. I'm a Filipino nurse here in London. I just wanna share our monthly expenses so that you have an idea. If ever curious kayo about sa London expenses, or living in the UK expenses, or working as a nurse here expenses, take everything I say with a grain of salt because meron din namang certain differences when it comes to location. Yung main idea is the closer you are sa central, the more expensive things are, especially the rent. This particular example is for our month of February na bills or expenses. Yung rent namin every month is 1,304 pounds. Usually sa main bills namin, ang technique namin ng asawa ko, kasi iba-iba naman tayo ng technique when it comes to budgeting. Technique namin sa main bills is half talaga kami, 50-50. And then the water, we pay 56 pounds per month. We live in a 2-bedroom flat dito sa Central London. Kapag sinashare ko sa TikTok yung rent namin, a lot of people say, yung mga nakatira sa UK, they will know that for the location and for a 2-bedroom flat, mura na yung 1,304, guys. Yes, mura na po yun. Kasi ang reason for that is nakatira kami sa estate na for key workers such as nurses. So, partially discounted siya. So, we're really grateful na may discount kaming mga nurses. For the energy bills, we spent 207 pounds and 37 pence. So, yung energy bill is a combination of electricity and gas. Yung gas namin is obviously high kapag winter season. Pero if it's not winter season, usually our energy bill is around mga 70 to 90 pounds. Ganon siya. So, depende sa season yun. And then, Wi-Fi for our house, we paid 28 pounds. Grocery, of course, included na yung mga household essentials, not just food. So, this month, 500 pounds yung budget namin for groceries. So, weekly kami nag-grocery, guys. For eat out or take away, budget namin was 100 pounds. Yung council tax is 176 pounds. Yung council tax din, depende din siya sa location kung saan kayo nakatira dito and also kung ilang bedroom yung flat or bahay mo. Yun ang ating main expenses or main bills. Now, under subscriptions, medyo mataas yung list ko. Isa-isahin natin siya. So, first is yung Netflix. So, Netflix, I pay 80-99 pounds per month. And ako ang nagbabayad nito kasi nakikishare din yung family ko sa Pilipinas. So, hindi kami nag-half ng husband ko. And Spotify, ako lang din ang gumagamit ng Spotify kasi mahilig ako sa music. So, I pay 12 pounds and 9 pence for that. Amazon Prime, nag-half kami dito ng asawa ko. So, that's $8.99 per month. We have Amazon Prime subscription kasi most of the time, every month, meron kaming binibili sa Amazon. If we don't have Amazon Prime, nagbabayad ka ng mga 3 to 4 pounds na delivery fee per order. So, laking tipid na yun para sa amin. And also, because we have Amazon Prime subscription, nakakanood din kami for free ng mga Prime videos. So, that's a good deal for us. Tapos, we have HP subscription. So, meron kasi kaming printer dito sa bahay. So, every now and then, meron kaming piniprint ng mga necessary documents. Ang subscription dyan is 4 pounds and 49 pence. Kasi dito, mahal magpa-print, guys. Alam mo yung pupunta ka sa store nila para magpa-print ng 1 or 2 pages. Mahal siya. So, kaya bumili na lang kami ng printer kasi alam naman namin na gagamitin din namin siya. Next is RCN. So, ito yung Royal College of Nursing. This is just for me. As a nurse dito sa UK kasi parang ang advice nila is to have a union. Just in case may mangyari sa'yo as a nurse, kailangan mo ng help, may it be legal representation, meron kang union. Most of the nurses that I know here are member of RCN. Member ako since I started here as a nurse. Medyo mahal nga yung bayad, guys. 16 pounds and 82 pence. Tapos, meron din akong quarterly subscription ng, hindi siya subscription. Kasi parang compulsory siya eh. Anyways, this month hindi ako nagbayad. Pero last month, nagbayad ako ng 30 pounds sa NMC. Kasi yearly yung payment namin dito sa NMC. NMC is Nursing and Midwifery Council. So, every year, nagbabayad ka to renew your PIN. Yung, license mo. So, 120 pounds yun per year. And then, you have an option to pay it in full or like quarterly. So, ako, I opted for quarterly payments para hindi masyadong masakit. Yung last under the subscription is 3 network. Sa Pilipinas, so meron tayong Smart, Globe, Talk and Text, ganon. Dito naman, meron silang O2, Virgin, Media, 3. So, sa akin, 3 ako na network. So, I pay 11.46 per month para sa data ko sa phone ko. I hope this video gave you an idea as to expenses if you want to work and live in the UK, particularly in London. Mag-comment lang kayo if there's anything else you want to know. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and subscribe if you want to see more. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!